One of the ways people are trying to make money with stocks is day trading. This is when people are trying to predict the short-term movement of the stock prices and buy and sell stocks several times a day. And this is why it's called day trading. But it's absolutely proven that it's not possible to earn money with day trading, not over the long term. Here's a study from the year 2000. They analyzed the accounts of 66,000 people from 1991 to 1996. And it turned out that the most active stock traders earned an annual return of 11%, while the market average was 18%. So the most active people earned less than the market average. And here's another study. They analyzed Taiwanese traders for 15 years from 1992 to 2006, and they say that the vast majority of day traders lose money. And here's a third study from 2019. They followed the activity of 1,600 day traders and concluded that only 3% of them could make money. So 97% of those day traders lost money. Only 1% of those people could earn more than the Brazilian minimum wage, which is about $200 per month. And all that hassle with huge risk. So you have a 97% chance of losing money with day trading. But if you go to a casino and go to the roulette table, and you bet on the black or on the red, you have a 48% chance of winning. So just let that sink in. You have a 97% chance of losing money with day trading, but only 52% chance of losing in the casino. So it's absolutely proven that you cannot make money with day trading. And this is why you don't see anyone amongst the wealthiest people who became rich with day trading. If there would be a winning strategy with day trading, we would see at least one person who became rich with it. In fact, we know from data that the most active traders lose the most money. And it's also proven that the most inactive people earn the most money. People who just buy US stocks and just hold them as passive investors, there were no 20-year periods where they could lose money. So why do people trade actively if the chance of earning money is so low? I think there are many reasons and explanations. First of all, your chance of making money with day trading is not zero. People get lucky sometimes. And those who made money with it will probably brag about it, and they can easily sell a training to teach you how to do it. But think about it. If someone would win the lottery, you probably wouldn't buy a training from it about how to win the lottery. At least I hope you wouldn't. People win the lottery all the time. That doesn't mean that those people have a formula for winning. It just means they got lucky. Even though the chance of winning the lottery is extremely low, it's still not zero. So of course, nobody starts a website or a training after losing money and nobody brags about it. But people who got lucky can easily sell the dream of making money with gambling. The second reason why people are doing day trading is a lack of knowledge. Many people don't educate themselves about the stock market and how investing in stocks works. And these people confuse investing with stock trading. Many people start to buy stocks without any knowledge about investing and without knowing anything about stocks. Another reason is that our brain works in a way that we want to see patterns everywhere, even where there is no pattern. This is called apophenia. Apophenia is the tendency to perceive meaningful connections between unrelated things. An example of apophenia is called gambler's fallacy. Gamblers often imagine that they can see patterns in the numbers that appear in lotteries, card games, or roulette wheels. So this is natural human behavior. People are trying to predict stock prices by the shape of the price chart. But it's important to know that there is no pattern in it. You cannot predict anything from the shape of the price charts. So can you make money with day trading? The answer is yes. But you can also make money with the lottery. It's just highly unlikely.